everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57, and today I have a very quick haul for you guys. This is a Beauty Big Bang stamping plate haul. The last set of stamping plates that they have sent me for review, plates XL-059 through XL-070. And the reason I said a quick haul video, guys, is because I want to show you what these look like. I opened them up and looked at them. I have not removed the protective film off of them or anything like that. But the reason I won't be able to get to these, or I wanted to show you these very quickly before doing my actual swatch review of these in groups. I'm going to separate them in groups like I did the last time, probably come out with 4 videos out of these and do 3 at a time. But the reason for that, guys, is because I am trying to fit as many videos as possible this week. I am getting ready to go on an overseas vacation for 3 weeks, so that's gonna take me out almost the entire month of February. That's right, I'm excited about it. I will later on announce whereabouts I'll be going. I am trying to fit in a tutorial that will reveal where I'm going. Somewhat, yes, I think so, and I'll talk more about it then. I really hope I can fit that tutorial in. If not, the actual many that I'm going to have during that time, probably something related to that theme. I'm trying not to reveal too much, not quite. All right, and I know I am going to miss you guys during those 3 weeks, and I am debating whether or not I want to do vlogs. I've never done vlogs before. I will tell you, it's going to take me to a totally different time zone. I will tell you this much. So yes, I will have to put up some of my reviews out until after I come back. But here is a quick reveal of XL-059. Let me go ahead and bring you up close. Look at this, guys. Oh, so perfect for spring. Look at the, the showers, rain. So adorable images. I see a lot of fine images here. Very pretty. Look at that. Very delicate images with I have something else that is similar to this, but look at the girls with the umbrellas, and such a pretty stamping plate. And I hope I didn't put glare up. I wasn't looking. All right, let's put this one aside. Try to move quickly through this. This one is XL-070, and from the sleeve you can tell more or less what the theme is going to be. Look at that. Very Egyptian, very African looking with these prints and images. Wow, so cool. Loving that one. And then I also have XL-061. I'm loving this one with varsity letters. Check it out. So far I don't have any place I have any like single letters like these. Look at these prints. Look at those images. XL-061. I am loving this. You might see this one in a design before I do a review, because it says eco product, and that's a hint to a video that will be coming up later. Okay, and oh, this one, let me show you the sleeve. So XL-062. The fruits layering stamping plate, guys. I think this is my favorite out of this whole set. Look at the fruits, and you do your layering. See, strawberry, pineapple, and then you have your backdrop in different plats. Loving that one. Need to start making room. Then we have XL-063. This one has very organic prints right here, patterns like kind of like water, and maybe some might look kind of like an animal print, maybe a zebra thing, but yeah, more water marbles. Super cool. Then we have XL-064. This one is more botanical with flowers and trees. Gorgeous. There's a couple of birds here. They look like they're inside nests, but they're like inside those trees. Beautiful, beautiful for spring. Gosh, and sorry, let me go ahead and stop looking at these on my own and look on the viewfinder. Make sure I am not blinding you. Then we have XL-065. Oh my gosh, look, the peacock feathers. And that whole peacock, this is when I see these images like this, I'm like, oh, I want to get all that in one nail. But you obviously have to pick and choose and see what parts of that peacock tail, the neck, and the face you'll want to put on your nails. But then we have also beautiful images here that some of these feathers you can pick up individually, and then you have these arrows. And then there's this one, XL-066. Dreamcatcher, oh, upside down. Dreamcatcher images, and more feathers. Very tribal looking, gorgeous. Again, huge image right here that, don't I wish I could fit that on one nail. Look at all the details. Then we're going to jump all the way to a St. Patrick's Day stamping plate with XL-67. Here it is. I'm happy to have new St. Patrick's Day's images because my previous plate is so old. It's from the holiday collection of Bundle Monster, currently known as Maniology. Look at those. We have rainbows. We have, this one's pretty neat. It's kind of like a disappearing clover right there. The trees, gorgeous. And we have, we're looking more like, more into spring, XL-068. Look at the butterflies. Gorgeous butterflies. A little bit of lace here. Oh goodness. Beautiful, beautiful butterflies. Then we have 069. Oh wow. I am loving this. So this is all lace, and you have something for like your French manicures. These, oh my gosh, if you have long nails, I like that they made these long, because sometimes these, if you want to use them vertically, maybe if you have really long nails, they don't quite cover your nail. But look at these, could go either way, okay, vertical or horizontal. Look at the variety of that. It's just absolutely gorgeous. And last but not least, we have XL-070. Oh wow, another favorite of mine, these city skylines. Look at those. Okay, and they're not too large. I mean, they're still pretty big, but I have some plays that these are just even much larger. And these, they can be shrunk and be able to fit well on your nails, like your middle nail or your thumb. Check them out. Okay, so that is it, guys, for this haul. So like I said before, I am going to break these up. I will take them in order now to break them up into, I believe it's going to turn out to be 4 different videos, 3 on each video. I do have a question for you, and let me know below if you would like me to continue with the swatches as I have done before with each plate, or if maybe I should do a design for each plate and just skip the swatches. I mean, we know these are very good quality stamping plates, but if you'd rather see a design, a tutorial design on each plate, yeah, let me know if you'd rather see that instead versus just the plain swatches without a design. Sometimes I have put some designs with the swatch videos, but have not actually done a tutorial, just show you the pictures. So yeah, let me know what your preferences are. I don't want to bore you with the reviews on these stamping plates. We know I am one that I prefer. I really love watching videos and reviews on stamping plates. I like to see them, how they stamp, and get ideas and inspirations on what people come up with their designs. So that is it, guys. Stay tuned for a few more videos and a hint on where it is that I am, where in the world with NAQ57 going. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.